quick tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. I decided to do this look inspired by Coachella and festivals because it is festival season, I believe. I mean, I'm not going to any of them, but I feel like I just love kind of doing bold and fun looks, especially since Coachella's around the corner. I see so much inspiration, and so it just really inspired me to do this look. I mean, I was meaning to do this like a couple of weeks ago, but finals ate up most of my life the past few weeks. So, I mean, I'm not too late on Coachella, like the Coachella bandwagon, because when I'm uploading this, it's weekend too, so it won't be too, you know, random of an upload. But I wanted to do this look anyway because it's super fun, and I wanted to just show my creative side once again. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm just going to start off by priming my eyes with the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, just putting it all over, and then I'm going to also set the primer with a pressed powder. This is from Rimmel, I believe. It's the Stay Matte powder, just so that my shadows can blend nicely. I'm just going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, taking Creamsicle, this yellow color. I'm just going to use this as basically the base of this whole eye look. I go back and forth with this eyeshadow the whole tutorial, so you're gonna see more of it, but I'm just gonna use this and blend it into my crease as much as possible. So taking Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette, it's such a funny name, I'm just gonna use that and kind of deepen the yellow. I'm trying to go for a more golden eyeshadow look, so I'm just gonna really try and blend all my colors in as much as possible, so it's gonna be nice and seamless. So taking Pooter, I'm just going to put that on my outer corners and putting it into my crease as well. I just want to make sure that all the colors are kind of marrying each other on my eyelids, so it's a seamless blend. I'm also just going to put that on my lids a little bit as well. So taking Creamsicle again, the yellowness is starting to fade off, so I'm going to go in and put it back into my crease and just blend that in. So I'm taking Buns, and I'm just gonna put that all over my crease and outer corner. I just want to give this eye look a little bit more dimension. So taking this darker color will really kind of just make everything look nice and blended onto my eyelids. So taking Creamsicle once again, I'm just gonna make sure to put that onto my crease because I want to make sure that there's a gold kind of feel to it, so taking this yellow will really get it there. So taking the color Mocha, I'm just going to go in and deepen the crease even more. I just want to make sure that even though I'm putting these colors, like a lot of these colors in, that they're getting blended really well into my crease. Taking Creamsicle, I'm just going to go in and blend that onto my crease again. So I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand and just carving the inner corner of my eyes. I'm trying to do that half kind of cut crease effect that I've been really practicing on, and I think I'm getting better at, so I'm just going to blend that in as well on the outer parts of the concealer, just to make sure that it's blending seamlessly into the shadows on the outer corners. So I'm just going to do that on both my eyes. I'm going to take the Blink and BoxyCharm Electric Eyes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the shade Atani. It's this gold shade, and it's beautiful. I'm just going to take it all over the lid where I concealed my eyes, and I'm just going to even pack it on with my fingers because this whole eyeshadow palette is so pigmented, you don't even need to wet it with Fix Plus. I'm going to take Buns and Mocha from the Jaclyn Hill palette and putting that onto my crease and just buffing out the rough edges. You guessed it, we're going to take Creamsicle, our best friend, once again, just running that onto my crease so that we're not losing her, because we lost her a little bit. So I decided to take the color Sphene from the Blink and BoxyCharm eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corners of my eyes to give it kind of a pop. taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just going to line that on the bottom of my brows. I kind of stop on the arch of my brow, but it kind of just gives it an intense, cool feel. I don't know. I just thought that it would be a good idea, especially during festivals, because it's going to kind of stand out among the rest of the brows around the crowd. So I decided to do the rest of my face makeup and eye makeup off camera, but now I'm going to take the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection, and I'm just going to take the pink shade and the yellow shade in this palette, and I'm just going to put that on the high points of my face and even above my brows. So I decided one highlighter was just not enough, so I'm going to take the Dreamer Cheek Palette from Pure Cosmetics. I'm going to take Afterglow, which is the highlight, and just putting that on top of my highlight that I have. And I'm going to do another highlight, just watch for it. I don't know, it's crazy. I take the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. This is a little bit of a glittery one, so I just wanted to put that on top to kind of give you a really glowy and intense highlight because, I mean, festival season, everyone's just glowing to the gods. So I bought a bunch of these gems from the dollar store, and it had a bunch of different shapes and sizes, and I just took some random stars and gems just to put where I highlighted on my face. I took some blue kind of gems to match with what I'm gonna do on my lower lash line so that it kind of matches, and it kind of also matches my shirt, so that worked out pretty well. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and kind of detail highlight my face using the Artist Couture highlighter. So I decided to extend my glitter brows a little bit more, so I just did that on both brows, and I also took some gemstones off camera and put them on the outer part of my eyeliner and also the highlighted part of my face. Taking Jada from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm just gonna run that through my lower lash line to give it a bit of a pop of color, because without it, it's kind of just a boring look. I'm just gonna take the color Sphene and pop that into my inner corners. To give an extra, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore, I'm just gonna take the glitter liner and put that in the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm just gonna take the lippy pencil in Chi from ColourPop and line my lips with it, and then taking Lychee Me also from ColourPop, I'm just gonna put that right on top. It's my favorite kind of combo at the moment, and it's just a nude to kind of balance everything up. So honestly, this is where it all went downhill, but I just took the glitter liner and popped that on my inner corner, but I also popped it onto the highlighting situation that I had, which kind of ruined it. I wish I didn't do it, but I kind of gave like splotchy glitter particles on my face, which was awful, but I tried to fix it, as you can see. Finally, I'm just gonna set my face using the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. So that completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it really fun, because I certainly did. I think that I did a pretty good job. I actually planned this just like couple of minutes before I filmed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the description box below. So I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!